Alright, so I had said that we're going to get into another Ken Boothe. I never planned for this, but the other tune I did plan for, Puppet on a String, but I didn't plan for this. But when you play some of these artists, you can't just ever play one song out of them catalog and you just go jumping on one of that something. No, right? Them man you have too much, them man your catalog strong. Like a buckle of Guinness with hot. You see me? So here we go with another Ken Boothe, man. Everything I own, from the floor to the crown. Big up Mr. Brown.
You sheltered me from
harm.
Kept me warm.
Oh gosh.
Kept me warm.
From the top. From the very top. We can't play these songs like they were made in a basement or a little riffraff. Come Ken Boothe, tell them the truth.
You
Sheltered me from harm.
Kept me warm.
Oh gosh.
Kept me warm. You
Almost broke the glass.
to me. Set me free. Set me free.
The finest years I had with you was all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know that won't let you go and taking it all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and you don't hear a word they say. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my own.
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
would give anything I own just to have you back again, just to talk to you once again.
We don't talk anymore, people. All we're doing is texting. What's going on? Let's make a change for 2023. Improve our communication skills with man and woman. Same. True love, you know? Merry 2023 to you and me. You can be what you want to be as long as it brings positivity.
If there's someone you know
Oh yes.
that won't let you go,
And taking it on for granted.
you may lose them one
You just might
someone takes them away.
lose them on a first class flight.
Don't hear a word they say.
Come on, Ken.
I would give anything I own, give up my life,
Oh, my heart.
my own.
Tell them again.
I would give anything I own
Just to
To have you
just to
back again, just to talk to you words again, just to hold you.
once again. Oh my gosh, man. Those are the songs of this time. You know, foundation will forever be foundation, man. Oh my gosh. What a tune. What a tune. I tell you, some of these artists, you can't just play them one time and go to something else. You have to... Ken Boothe with Everything I Own. Oh gosh. That was a big tune, you know. That was a big tune, man. Man. On the Trojan label. Ken Boothe. Everything I Own. We're gonna cool it off. We're gonna cool it off. Saying, keep it locked to solid rock. Keep it locked to solid. If you don't want more solid rock, say forward. Forward. Easy. Yes. Keep the ball rolling.